Hello everyone, this is JimLiElevators here once again, and I hope you all have been enjoying the series that I've been putting in the birthday week to prepare for America's 250th birthday on the 4th of July. As we continue, what another better way to include that is American made are the old antique vintage old Otis wooden escalators at Macy's Herald Square. I can remember back in 2023, I got so excited when I saw the escalators for the very first time. And then in 2024, I got a 4K take of some sort. And look what I got in 2025. So with that said, no 4th of July special is complete without showing the view of the wooden escalators that is clearly American made that we have to show. Let's go. Alright guys, we're at Macy's Herald Square in New York City, and you are not going to believe what I just found here. Look at this, guys. Look what I just found. It's an old vintage wooden escalator, 100 years old. Let's take a ride. Here we go. Wow, this is amazing. Awesome, we got a wooden escalator. All right, we're gonna go back down now. Step off. Let's get out on this escalator here. Oh my gosh, this thing is incredible. This has got to be in the 1900s. And there's music playing down here, so I apologize if I have to keep talking over it and try my best to drown out the music to avoid copyright. All right, with that being said, we will go for one more ride on this piece of beauty, and after that, we'll go ahead and end the video from here. So we'll take one more ride on this old vintage piece of beauty. I'm only going to film these ones because I want to save battery and memory. Alright, let's go back down and we'll end it there. Here's the down escalator right here. Holy joy. I absolutely love this. I can't believe I'm finally here. Justin is definitely gonna love this. Alright, here we are on the bottom floor. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that will be it. Look at this, y'all. You would not believe what I just got. This is my old wooden Otis Escalator nameplate that came off none other than these amazing vintage old Otis wooden escalators at Macy's Herald Square that is sadly in the process of being replaced. So I figured, why not we get another ride on these pieces of beauties. Let's go. I'm not gonna do the whole entire wooden escalator because I already filmed it before. I already got a ton of good detailed video of these escalators last year. Oop, I almost slipped. All right, let's go down now. We're gonna take another ride on this. These are definitely a treasure. These escalators were installed in 1900 something. I have to recheck. Before we go down, see, look at this. Here's another one of these wooden escalators, and unfortunately that Otis nameplate is missing, but here is a photo of it when the nameplate was bolted onto the escalator wall, as you can see. But now, here I have my very own escalator nameplate. Big thank you to JimLiElevators for saving this for me. This is awesome. Sad that these things are going to be getting replaced soon. I love these old wooden escalators. Oh, do I love these. Oh, do I love this wooden escalator. I got a good detailed video of these escalators last year when I came here. This is awesome, y'all. This is totally awesome. Thankfully the chugging sound of these escalators are drowning out the music, so I don't have to talk over. I think I might go for one more ride. I just can't get enough. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And that is going to be it.